Hi everyone, my name is Gopi. I am working as a digital marketer at Genet Technologies. Today I am going to explain how to grow your business using funnels. In this, I am going to explain what is funnel, what is shape of the funnel. By using this funnel, how to getting leads of on your business, and how to increase our business and how to convert these leads as a customers. Before going to that, you may all know nowadays so many number of startups or new business are building new business are established. They don't know how to grow their business and how to run their business, and they don't know to unlock their business. But don't worry, we have a solution for that. I have given I am going to give a solution, and here we have a fundamental key to lock their businesses, that is funnels. First, do you know how to get leads for your business? You know, by doing running ads, through referrals, and through phone calls. How to get leads? By using these running ads, through referrals, through phone calls. This is enough? You may this is not enough. You may get leads by doing email marketing also. How do you get these leads? And these leads, how do we convert these leads as a customer? And how to improve our business? Here we have a key to understanding how to generate leads. That is funnel is the fundamental key for getting leads. First, what is funnel? A funnel is a framework that helps you as how your customers interacts with your brand, map out the customer's journey with your brand, and identify how your customers make purchase decisions. And it helps us understand how your leads enter the top of the funnel and how they are nurtured through the body of the funnel, and understand how they are converted at the bottom of the funnel. This is funnel works, and this is the framework that helps you. And next, shape of the funnel. You see the picture, we have three stages. I mentioned like this, three stages or a shape of the funnel. That is top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel. And it represents the flow of the leads through your funnel. First, top of the funnel means it is maximum number of leads. And next, middle of the funnel, it represents weed out the irrelevant leads. And third one is bottom of the funnel, it represents conversions. And next, how to get leads into the top of your funnel. First, who enters top of the funnel? You know that everyone in the ecosystem who has expressed interest in doing with you. If one person is having interest to journey with you and to read your mails, to read your articles, to read your blogs, anything, they may have interest, they visit your site and read what content you are providing, and next they will subscribe and they buy your products also. In this way you get leads and it converts as a customer also. And so in this way your business is growing, your business also grows. And next, what are the sources they do leads enter into the top of your funnels? They have to know about the advertising, public relations, incoming leads, events, partnership, forms, walk-ins, sign-ups and more. These are the sources do leads enter top of the funnel. And next, after the funnel, what we have to do? We need to warm the leads up and move them down the funnel. In this, moving leads down through the marketing funnel. How? Once the lead enters the funnel, they are cold. You can start the warming the leads up in the funnel to get them to start interact with your brand. How to nurture a lead? Interact with the lead, provide information to the lead. And how to add value? Use the information to educate leads. Make the information entering and understandable and use the social proof also. And next, and value across each step of customer journey. And next, in which channel, what are the channels used to nurture a lead? There are some channels: email marketing, remarketing, webinars, video lessons and phone call marketing. These are the channels used for nurturing a lead. And next, coming to the how to manage the bottom of the funnel and how we convert into the bottom of the funnel. This is how managing the bottom of the funnel. First, bottom of the funnel contains the warmest leads that are nurtured, well informed to make a purchase decision, is ready to be sold to or converted, and it have a perceived value of your product offering. And next, conversion is the act of converting lead into a paying customer. What are the popular methods to convert lead into a customer? These are the methods to convert lead into a customer that are online sales and stores, cart checkouts, phone calls, and in-person sales. Next, how we feed in the marketing funnel. First, you need to keep populating the top of the funnel so you can move leads down the funnel and create more conversions also. To feed these leads into the funnel, you need some traffic. You need more traffic also. For that, here we have three kinds of traffics. First one is paid traffic, owned traffic, earned traffic. Out of these three traffics, what we choose, what traffic we need to choose, I will explain. First, coming to the paid traffic. Paid traffic suggests leads that you pay for. Popular source of generating traffic includes and it running ads on search engines, running ads on social media, and it running ads on third party of ad network that are examples like Outbrain, Taboola, etc. And next, paid traffic is generated when someone clicks on the ad you paid to create and plays on an online real estate. What are the characteristics of paid traffic? Here we have two traffics: low affinity towards your brand, low read lines to convert. These leads are usually cold and need a lot of nurturing. And next, coming to the earned traffic. Earned traffic is generated by developing goodwill about your brand. It will generate developing goodwill about your brand. What are the characteristics of earned traffic? First one is people talk about your brand. People recommended your brand in their cities. High quality leads because of trustworthy endorsement. These are the characteristics of the earned traffic. And next, coming to the owned traffic. It is the most valuable traffic of these three traffics and is most important also. This topic is best, and this is traffic belongs in your via subscribing blog or email list. Owned traffic characteristics are best quality leads. It provides best quality leads. Stronger brand connect because of relationship building. stronger brand connector. Every person, every customer, or every lead, your lead, they got the stronger brand. They connect your product as a brand, your business or brand. They connect as a brand because of only the relationship building, and more trust in brand because of nurturing. What I am going to give some secrets to grow your business. The secrets to growing your business, that are out of these three. Before I told paid traffic, earned traffic, own traffic. Out of these three traffic, which traffic is better to choose? This, build on your own traffic. This is the best secrets to grow your business. And next, build the volume. And own traffic is to choose, is the best way to start your funnel. And next, convert your paid and earned traffic into own traffic, also a best secret to grow your business. And next, coming to the how to start building own traffic. I told the best secret to grow your business is to build own traffic. But how to start this build own traffic? How to build own traffic? I am explaining. The easiest way to get started is building an email list. Reach out to an audience that cares, that are advertising, blogs, social media, videos. This can only maintained by you and made by an external agency only. But only online asset that you truly own is a fully opted-in email list. This is the most important point I told, that only online asset that you truly own is a fully opted-in email list. What is this meaning? The best way to get the success of your business, you have to own is a you have to create opted-in email list also. You have to build opt email list also. And how to build your opt-in email list? First, and tried and tested technique is to get started. This is the process. Build your opt-in email list. First, sign up to an email marketing solutions provider like MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign. And next, configure this solution. Set up forms and lists on the mailing engine. And next, creating a form. And next, create loading page and offer opt-in incentives like ebooks, industry reports, videos, etc. And next, set up mailing engine to automatically send opt-in bribes to customers on subscribing or signing up. And next, sign up a drip campaign to nurture the lead. And next, connect the landing page to email service provider. And next, go to the live with the landing page and start sending traffic to landing page also. This is how to build your opt-in email list. And next, coming to the what we do and what not, what we do and what we don't do to build opt-in email list. Here we have do's and don'ts. First, what we have to do: build relationship over time, offer value with your connect in the emails, use the power of automation and segmentation to grow the list, make it your own. You have to done it in your own only. And next, what we don't do. What don't do? First, buy your list from databases. We don't buy our list from databases, and don't spam people, and don't sell all the time. And next, coming to the 3 funnel secrets you need to know. These are the 3 secrets I am giving to you. And these 3 funnel secrets to build your business and to grow your business also. First, secret number 1, turn your crowd into champions. How do we turn our crowd into champions? You may know that every business has customers. Some of them will be your happy and ecstatic customers. In that, what are you doing for your customers? You said thank you. Mails or calls will not be recommended in the long run also. And next, how to engage with your happy and ecstatic customers. How to engage? Every sale is a gift and every customer is a champion in the making. Give them something of value. Help them realize the full value of what you offer. Have devotion for customer success. These are the secrets to engage with your customers. And next, coming to the secret number 2, serve before seeking. How we will be serve our customers? Before going to serve, in starting of the serving or in starting of the providing services to customers, at the beginning they don't know about you and they don't know cares about you and they don't know matter to them also. You don't know matter them also. But in the by going this way, after few days or after few months, this will be changed by the relationship, by trading value for attention, build a report, build trust. You have to change by trading value for attention, build a report, build trust, change the dynamic. These are the tips to change your relationship with your customers. And next, coming to the secret number 3, please mind the gap. How to mind the gap? You have to build the bridge between you and your customers or leads. Bridge the gap between, and that is from problem to solution. Your customer have one problem, you have to solve quickly. You have to give answer quickly. You focus on solving problems, bridge the gap with strategies also. And next, by doing this, nature the problems change, market changes, customer mindset changes, gap changes. And next, these are the secrets to grow your business, and these are the secrets to improve your email lists and opt-in email lists. And next, coming to the what are the experiments we do, which type of experiments experience to grow our business. These are the experiments, and these are also secrets of success and growth also. These experiments give the secrets of growth and success. Here I have mentioned some experiments you can try. You have to try these experiments and you can get some experience, and these are the secrets of your success and growth. First one, play around with different message formats. Think of creative packaging ideas, selling a service, consider building your offerings, partner with the competitors or cross promote your products or services, offer a customization to your customers, borrow ideas from different fields, and educate instead of selling to your customers. These are the experiments you can try to get your success and grow your business. And coming to the final conclusion, what I want to say that by using these funnels you can increase and drive your traffic, and it will be understanding this word also. With these experiments you can segregate these segments also, and it will growing your business in an effective way. This is how grow your business using funnels. These are the by using these funnels and this way of the funnel secrets, and this is how we grow our business with these funnels. Thank you.